Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be planning out the month of February in my MäksēLife planner. Okay, so first let's take a look at the January plan with me. I really enjoyed using the spread the way that I did. I would really like to see if I can somehow utilize it in the same way I did use a Chrissy Designs sticker kit. I also used some of these like wacky holidays from Planner Kate. I like them in the monthly, but I think I'm going to switch for the month of February to using the Celebrations collections stickers in the monthly, and there's a reason for that. So in the Celebrations collection, the wacky holidays are a little bit bigger, so I feel like they take up more space on, say, a weekly view. So I feel like they'll eat up a lot more real estate in the week view, and these smaller holidays from Planner Kate can be used up on these, and they'll just take up like one line of space and not bigger chunks of space. So that's the plan moving forward for now. Some of the holidays are the same, some are different. I think it's really neat just to add some of them in my planner. So I'm not going to use those this time for the month view, but I am going to grab the Chrissy Designs ones for the month of February. And I need to go ahead and grab the ones for January and see where I can place them, but we're just going to start right now for the month of February. Now, if you haven't heard of the Chrissy Designs Celebrations collection, I do have a video that went up last week. However, that collection has since now sold out for the time being, and there really isn't a projected date as to when it will be back. But if you follow Chrissy Designs over on Instagram, you can even join their Facebook group, and there will be announcements for when this may come back in the future. All right, so let's go to February. Another thing that I did in January, let me jump back, is I actually put the videos that I have going on for the month, and I actually really liked it because then it was here with my main planner. I don't know how many months I'm going to continue to do that, but I will continue to try. So the kit that I got from Chrissy Designs is this one right here. And I realized when I order, I didn't get these sidebar stickers. So I just got the main kit right here, like just the top part. And I didn't get the numbers. So that's going to be a bit of a problem. Okay, crisis averted with the dates. So the reason why I need the date dots is because I get the kit from Chrissy Designs that is Monday, that has a Monday start instead of a Sunday start. So I have actually 2 sheets of this kit. So I'm going to take the numbers from here and use them to supplement this kit. So let's go ahead and put down the top part of this monthly kit here. I'm kind of frazzled because I really did not plan on filming this late. Normally I have my videos filmed a little bit earlier, and oh, this does not fit. I'm having some issues this month. Oh man, I don't know what I did wrong when I ordered, but when I ordered last month, I didn't have to cut anything off. And I don't know if I just ordered the wrong size sheet. These are definitely, this is a test of, was I paying attention when I ordered? They look the same, but they're definitely not the same. There is like some serious overhang that I'm going to have to cut off. So I don't know what I ordered wrong. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go get the scissors. Okay, so it took me a solid 15 minutes to find my scissors. This is definitely not going as planned, and believe it or not, I planned this video poorly. So I'm just gonna cut the top off here. All right, that doesn't look too bad. I'm seriously like just, I don't know, I'm dumbfounded because I also ordered my March kit and it's the same size. So now I have to worry about a few months being the wrong size for my planner. And I don't know, I need to go back and check my order. I was rushing because obviously I forgot the numbers as well. And I ordered the wrong thing, and I don't have time to go back and look. Now I'm worried that the February is going to be cut off. This is like a what not to do when you're filming your monthly video. Okay, so I didn't completely destroy the February name thing. I need to like slightly move my light so that there's not as big of a glare there, because that's gonna kind of be a pain. And now what I need to do is put down the dates for February and make sure that I actually put them down on the right day, because it looks like I am just on a roll with not exactly getting this right. So I'm pulling out my phone just to like double check what February looks like, and the first starts on a Monday. Better to be safe than sorry at this point, because oh my God. Okay, so all of the numbers are down. Now, one of the things, if you ever decide that you want to do a monthly spread and you change it from a Sunday to a Monday start, you will need to white out the holidays, just because they will no longer fall on the correct days. And I'm just using some big whiteout that I just had in my stash, because the one that I really like is from Tombow and I completely ran out, but I'm trying to just use up what I have before I buy more things, that sort of stuff. So there's that. Oh, there's like a ton of holidays in February that we need to white out. And then I'll have to white out pretty much the entire bottom week, just because it's really not even needed in here. It would have been nice to have some additional decorative strips to cover it up, but it'll leave me room for some of the wacky holidays in case they don't fit with some of the boxes in there. I just can't get that one to be covered up. This is like the plan with me that is definitely not going right at all. All right, so 12 minutes later. It really hasn't been that long, but it feels like it, you know. So there are some other sheets on here that I don't think I'm going to use any of these, because what I did was I ordered the skinny appointment labels. You can actually also get these from Chrissy Designs. When you order your monthly kit, you can order the custom version of these and just say that you want it to match the monthly kit. You can just put it in the notes, and at least that's how it's worked for me. So I've really enjoyed that. So before I add any of the wacky holidays, obviously I'm going to add the things that I really need to get put down on here. And first I'm going to start with our paydays. All right, so that is it for paydays. One thing that I think I want to put, just, I don't know if I want to put it in a different color or what. I'm trying to look at what I have as far as leftover stickers from like maybe a previous monthly kit, but I do need to get my second COVID vaccine, and that's going to happen on the 8th. I think I might just use this red color right here. It's kind of like a raspberry color. Not really red, but that's might be what I use. I wanted to use something a little bit bigger, but I don't have anything that's bigger. Maybe I'll use that one right there. Let's try that. All right, I think that might work. I just kind of wanted it to stand out from the rest of the stickers, and that is happening on the 8th. I've already gotten my first one. It was a few weeks back, or a couple weeks back now. And honestly, I didn't really have any big issues other than my arm hurting the next day and just being tired. But I have heard that there are more side effects with the second one. I know it's different for everyone, but I'm excited to get it done and over with, that's for sure. All right, so next up, I have a hair appointment on the 10th. I want to make sure I don't forget about that. And that is at 2. This was one that I had to reschedule because we were quarantined, so I'm really excited about this because I am desperately needing a haircut and my grays covered and some highlights. And the next thing I want to mark are the days that there are no school, and there is no school on the 15th and 16th for Nathan, so I definitely want to get that marked in there so that we can plan accordingly. And I just realized that the 15th is a holiday. It is actually President's Day. I don't know if I'm off that day. I need to actually check my work calendar tomorrow to see if that is considered a holiday for us. I thought that it was. I think March is the only month that we don't have a holiday where we're off or we get a long weekend. So I really think that that's a holiday, but I'm not going to mark that there's no work until I know for sure. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick one color to do my videos for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'm thinking it's going to be this purple color. There should be enough for me to do each day. If not, I might have to pull from my Chrissy and Designs binder and see if I have any in there to help sort of add to this kit. But I think that there will be enough. Alright, so for videos, I kind of stick to the same rhythm. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that Mondays are my Plan With Me days. For the first, all except for the last Wednesday of the month, I do a weekly vlog. And then the last week, or the last Wednesday of the month, I normally do a monthly Plan With Me. And then Fridays is kind of like all other random things, whether it's like a how-to or an organizational video or something like that, or maybe even just another type of vlog. That's where that content goes. Unless, obviously, if there are launches and things or brands that I'm working with and things need to be posted on a different day, then my schedule will adjust accordingly. So I'm just going to write in the videos that I know for a fact are already happening or that I'm ready to share right now and get those put down. All right, and the last thing I'm going to do is put our virtual church days, and that is going to be on Sundays at 9 a.m. Sometimes it's at 10 a.m. to be quite honest, because since it is virtual, we can always watch the replay whenever we want to. Alright, so there is that. I kind of like how that looks. It's not too crowded yet. Let's go ahead and add in some of these wacky holidays. All right, so we need to start with February 1st. All right, let's start with the first one. And I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right. Is it Imbolc? Imbolc. But the last time I looked up this, it was like an Irish holiday marking the beginning of spring or something like that. Let's give it a Google. So it says it's traditionally held on February 1st. It is a Gaelic traditional festival marking the beginning of spring. Very cool. Okay, so that goes on the 1st. And we all know what February 2nd is. That is Groundhog Day. Thank a Mail Carrier Day is on February 4th. I think that that is extremely important given everything that they have been dealing with. Especially with all of us ordering like way more than normal. Alright, so we're going to, some days you do get 2 holidays, and I'm just going to pick Ice Cream Day for February 6th. Can't exactly fit them all. And then what I like to do, like I've done with other holidays, is if I don't know what one is or it doesn't necessarily go in my planner or end up in my planner, then I will look it up. It's just kind of a great way to learn something new. February 7th is Periodic Table Day. February 9th is one of my favorites. It is Pizza Day. I love this one. I don't think that this was in last year's collection, but International Day of Women and Girls in Science. And that is on February 11th. February 13th is National Cheddar Cheese Day, or just Cheddar Day. Really, it's cheese for me. It's the cheese for me. Since I like both of these holidays, I added them both. So there's Valentine's Day and Organ Donor Day. February 20th is World Day of Social Justice. I just love these little holidays that you probably didn't know a whole lot about or that they even existed, which is really cool. All right, and now we're almost there. We're towards the end. So we have Margarita Day on the 22nd and National Tortilla Chip Day on the 24th. I feel like they kind of go together, but that's okay. We can just meet in the middle on the 23rd and have both. All right, that looks so cute. I really like the way that that turned out. I love adding just the little additional holidays. There's also monthly days in the Chrissy Ann Design Celebrations binder. So for February, you can also put the monthly stickers. So obviously February is Black History Month and it's National Snack Food Month. So I'm going to put both of those over here, and I think I'm going to put them right here and maybe one down. Well, let's do it over here. Maybe over here. I can't seem to make up my mind. I like both of them over here. All right. I think that that is it. I can't believe that this actually came together when like really nothing was going right. I didn't order the right kit, nothing fit. I didn't order the right sheets, but it still worked. And here it is, my monthly plan with me. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.